11% of basement floods are due to failed sump pumps, and these floods cause an average of $43,000 in damages. But you can prevent basement floods before they happen with the Sumpie sump pump sensor from Alert Labs. Sumpie is more than a sump pump alarm. It's the world's first predictive sump pump sensor. Install Sumpie in seconds. Sumpie monitors performance 24/7, letting you know when the sump pump needs servicing. Wi-Fi connected devices stop working when the power goes out. But thanks to a cellular connection, Sumpie keeps working even without electricity. It sends notifications of power outages and sends sump pit overflow alarms before the basement floods. Sumpie also works with Floody to provide whole home leak and flood protection, giving you peace of mind with 24/7 sump pump monitoring. Book a demo today. Alert Labs.